Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2020 Ford Edge and I will show you how to activate the trial version of SiriusXM. This video should apply to Ford Edges made from 2015 all the way up to 2024. Now, I had this vehicle serviced in a Ford dealership, and a few months later I received a letter in the mail that I'm getting 3 months of free trial of SiriusXM, and now I will show you how to activate it. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. First thing that has to be done, you have to activate the subscription on your computer. So you will visit the website and activate your radio, and then you will proceed to do actions in the vehicle. Okay, so this is the letter I got in the mail, and I just visited this web address and I gave them my phone number, and then I got a text message with instructions on how to proceed. Okay, so this is the SMS message I got once I activated the trial on the website, and now I will press this link here, and this will send me to SiriusXM website. So resend my satellite radio signal. Yes, I'm near the car, I'm sitting in it. Turn on the radio, set it to satellite. We did that. Make sure the radio has a clear view to the sky, and resend satellite signal. I will press this. Okay, and now we have to wait for 15 minutes and my radio should be working. Okay, it's been around 10 minutes, so I will do the same. Audio source Sirius FM. And there's no that message anymore, and everything works. I can choose stations and everything. It's all good to go. So yes, that's pretty much everything you have to do. So first you have to activate your subscription online, and once you've done that, then you just have to follow up the link from text message and resend the signal to the radio, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.